Hey guys, so far we have studied about concave mirrors. Today what we are going to do, we are going to talk about the other type of mirror, and that is convex mirror. Okay, so if you remember, I told you the main difference between a concave and convex mirror would be where it has its reflecting side. So if this is a concave mirror, then this in a way can be called as a convex mirror. The outer side is a reflecting side, and for this the outer side is the non-reflecting side. So we are not going to talk about concave today, we are going to talk about convex. Like a concave mirror has three parts and a principal axis, 3 points and a principal axis. Same way, even a convex mirror is going to have the same thing. Okay, but keep in mind one thing, very easy way to remember is the principal axis always comes on the inner side. So for this mirror, the inner side is here. So I will draw my principal axis on the inside, on the non-reflecting side. Okay. Now this is nothing but the point P, which is pole, which is the center of the mirror. Now again I have a point named focus, which is F, and another point named C, center of curvature. They work the same way as they work in a concave mirror. Focus and center of curvature, half the distance, and any normal over here is only going to pass through C. So if you recall, we had 3 rules of reflection for concave mirrors. We are going to look at 3 rules of reflection for convex mirrors also. Okay, so in the rules, I'm going to tell you what the first rule is. Okay, it is very similar to the other mirror. So the first rule says, if I have a convex mirror P, F and C. Right. If you remember, the first rule talks about a ray of light that comes parallel to the principal axis, but now the light is going to come from this side because this is the reflecting side. So I'm going to talk about a ray of light that comes parallel like this. Okay, this is my incident ray of light. Once it hits the mirror, it is supposed to reflect, and if it reflects, it goes back in that direction. Cool. Now see that it is not passing through focus. If you remember, it says ray passing parallel to principal axis passes through focus after reflecting, but over here it can't go through focus, it is going to bounce back. But you will see that if I extend this line backwards, it is definitely going to pass through focus in the same angle. We say कि we extend the line, so we say it appears to pass through focus. Okay, when a ray of light is incident parallel to principal axis, it reflects away and appears to pass through focus. Now similarly, the normal for this would be over here, right? This would be the normal. Again similarly, if I extend the normal, it is going to appear as if it is passing through C. It doesn't actually pass through, it appears to pass. Okay, now similarly, if I look at the second rule, the second rule is again opposite to this. So if I look at the second rule, it would look something like this. If I take a convex mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Now if you remember, the second rule talks about light passing through focus, the converse of the first rule, right? So I'm going to make sure that there's a ray of light that is incident but appears to pass through focus, right? It doesn't actually pass, it will only appear to pass. Now since this side is a mirror, it reflects on that side itself. Okay, so you will notice that incident and reflected light are on the other side. Again, if it comes appearing through focus, then it is going to reflect and become parallel to the principal axis. Now third and last rule, again similar to the third rule in the concave mirrors, and that's nothing but if I have a ray of light that passes through center of curvature. If you recall, it talks about a ray of light that goes through center of curvature, but again, being a mirror, it's not going to let light go through, it's going to bounce back in the same direction, but it will appear as if the light is passing through center of curvature. So these are the three rules of reflection when it comes to a convex mirror. Okay.